Your first assignment today is to make a rotational tessellating shape. You're going to start with a 3.5-inch square of cardstock, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and some tape. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to start at the corner, and I'm going to draw some lines that go into my shape and off the other corner. All of this happens along one side. Don't make this line too crazy, but give it some interesting variety. After you've drawn the line, you are going to neatly cut out that shape. If you're not following the line exactly, that's okay. We just need to create a nice shape. So I started at the corners, drew my shape, and cut it. Now I have the shape. The next thing that I need to do is I need to have this fitted as if it were going back into the main piece of cardstock, and then I'm going to rotate it and join the flat side to the flat side. It's really important that this piece start out in the right direction so that it would fit back in, and then rotate it. If you flip it, you will create problems for yourself. I'm lining this up exactly, and then I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to tape it securely in place. This is now the shape that I will be tessellating in my MC Escher project. Before you move on to the next step, you need to do a couple of important things. Number one, you need to write your full name on top of it, along with your block. And write the word top, because as you work on this project, you always want there to be a top and a bottom, or you create problems for yourself.